2 years ago today, the Northeast was slammed by the largest, most devastating storm to hit that region since 1938. Superstorm Sandy also happened to be the second costliest hurricane in U.S. history. But now one scientist says he has a way to lessen the impact of storms like Sandy by, get this, dropping the temperature of the ocean. Douglas Kennedy joins us live from our New York City newsroom to explain how to do that.
Yeah,
Douglas.
John, hurricanes are becoming more frequent and more intense. And to most of us, there's not a lot to be done about it, but not to everyone. They say no one can control the weather. But don't tell that to Alan Blumberg, who spends his life thinking of ways to do just that. You not only want to control the weather, you want to control weather events.
Exactly. The weather events that have been happening lately are so dangerous in terms of lives at risk and billions of dollars of property at risk.
Blumberg is a professor at Stevens Institute of Technology in Hoboken, New Jersey, a city that was battered by Hurricane Sandy in 2012. For 2 years, surrounding towns here have been trying to prevent future flooding. But while most have been wondering how to survive the next big storm, Blumberg's been wondering how to stop it. So this is a tubular pump, which you say may be the answer.
Yes, it is a prototype of what could happen in the real world. We want to pump up water from 1,000 feet to the surface to cool the water at the surface.
A feat, he says, can be accomplished by deploying hundreds of thousands of tubes directly in a storm's path, essentially cutting off a hurricane's fuel.
Cold water will come up.
It's a theory that makes sense to hurricane experts, who say lowering ocean temperature in relation to air temperature is key in lessening a wind's wrath.
If you can cool the ocean to the temperature of the air that it is under, then there will be very little exchange of energy.
Not only controlling Mother Nature, but also saving lives and money.
If we can reduce the intensity of a hurricane, we're going to save billions of dollars and, more importantly, save hundreds of lives.
He estimates the cost of deploying the tubes to be a small percentage of the damage caused by Sandy. And he says you can't put a price on the lives, John. That's it from here. Back to you.
So how does the water get up through the tube? Is it sort of a siphon kind of thing? It's not powered.
The waves kind of move it around, and the colder water goes up those tubes. They've just designed it so any water that enters goes up the top.
Huh. Interesting. All right, Douglas Kennedy, thank you.